no dog is a cat. How do you draw it? That's it. As simple as that, right? So, if I say dogs is represented by D and cats by C, I draw a circle for dogs. I draw a separate circle for cats. Whatever is there in dog is not there in cat. Whatever is there in cat is not there in dogs. Does this diagram tell me that no dog is a cat? Can you represent this same fact using any other type of diagram? Is it possible that you draw two intersecting circles or one circle inside another or some other type and still show me no dog is a cat? So, the number of possible diagrams when it comes to a statement with no or none in it is exactly one. There is only this one diagram possible. इसके अलावा आप किसी भी तरह से उसको represent नहीं कर सकते. So it's straightforward. Now, given that statement no dog is a cat, what about the reverse of this? Can you automatically tell that no cat is dog? If you are given the statement, can you automatically say that no cat is dog? Yes or no? How many of you think yes, you can say the reverse? Does anybody think you cannot say the reverse? We are a bit confused. You cannot say the reverse. Why not? If no dog is a cat is true, this is not necessarily true is what you are saying. Why?
Cats.
Can be dogs.
Can be dogs.
Okay. So let us take a look at the logic here. If it's a dog, it cannot be a cat. Is what this statement says? No dog is a cat. So if it's a dog, it cannot be a cat. Now assume that if you say a cat can be a dog, then whichever cat is a dog, that dog becomes a cat. But if a dog becomes a cat, then this statement goes for a toss. So if a dog cannot be a cat, is it possible that a cat is a dog? Because this represents only one diagram is there. You look at it dog and cat or cat and dog, it's the same thing. So whenever we talk about a statement with the word no in it, there is only one diagram and the reverse statement for it is always true. If no dog is a cat is true, then no cat is a dog has to be true. Nothing required for that. So this is the simplest kind of statement which we can get, the one with no in it. ये क्लियर हो गया डायग्राम कैसे बनाते हैं एंड रिवर्स का क्या करना है. चलो, let's move ahead to the second kind of statement, which is a statement which contains the word all in it, right? So let me say all Gujaratis are Indians. You have to represent Gujaratis with G and Indians with I. Can you draw a Venn diagram and show me which gives me this statement that all Gujaratis are Indians? How do you draw this in the form of a diagram that all Gujaratis are Indians? Does it say all Gujaratis are Indians? Is it possible to have any other diagram which says all Gujaratis are Indians? Think about it. What does this say? All Gujaratis are Indians. Any other diagram which can give you the same fact? So how many diagrams possible according to you? 2? क्या हुआ इसको क्यों कट किया? सारे गुजरातीज इंडियंस हैं. All Gujaratis are Indians. You drew this diagram, right? Then why did you cut it? Is it wrong? Does it say जो गुजराती है वो इंडियन है? तो सही है ना? All Gujaratis are Indians. But can you represent this same diagram, this same sentence in any other way? G, I do the same. Any other type of diagram which will give you the same fact? इसके अलावा कुछ? Okay. The most popular diagram which most of us would have made is that we would have made a set showing the Gujaratis. We would have made a bigger set saying Indians. सारे Gujaratis Indians के अंदर आ गए. So whoever is a Gujarati, that is whoever is inside the smaller circle, automatically comes inside the larger circle. So whoever is a Gujarati has to be an Indian. This diagram. Another diagram that some of us drew was that you drew the set for Indians and Gujaratis and said Indians and Gujaratis is the same circle. Does this diagram say that all Gujaratis are Indians? Why not? If you say no, why not?
Some of them can be different. They can't be all Gujaratis.
Do you know anything other than this statement?
No.
Then? Okay. Before we proceed, one basic funda that you have to keep in mind is you only have to concentrate on the given statement and no extra information is to be provided by yourself. Unless it is given to you, you don't consider anything else. What can happen, what cannot happen is immaterial. In fact, because you can have multiple possibilities, you can have multiple diagrams. Right? I have given you only one fact that all Gujaratis are Indians. I do not care about others. Sticking only to this statement, does this diagram say that all the Gujaratis are Indians? Yes. Sticking only to this fact, does this diagram say that all the Gujaratis are Indians? Whoever is a Gujarati is an Indian. So all Gujaratis are Indians. So both these diagrams, do they say all Gujaratis are Indians? Yes. Any other or any third diagram which can show this fact? No. So for all, you generally have two different diagrams possible. One is one inside the other. Second is both are exactly the same. Now, what about the reverse of this statement? If I say all Gujaratis are Indians, can I say that all Indians are Gujaratis? Why not? I can. Exactly. I only have to see the statement. So by just looking at the given statement, can I say all Gujaratis are Indians? Are you sure? Look at both the diagrams. If this is the case, then yes, all Indians are Gujaratis. True. But this is also a possibility. This says all Indians, some of them are Gujaratis, but the others can be non-Gujaratis. Which of these two diagrams is the exact diagram? No? No. Till you do not have any other information, you do not know which of these two diagrams is correct, you have to consider both these diagrams. If I ask you what is going to be a 12th standard result in terms of pass or fail, there are two possibilities. Till you get the result in your hand, you cannot with 100% confidence say that only pass is possible. Fail is also possible. You might have written excellently. What if somebody tampered with your paper? Paper tampering took place. Somebody has आपके साथ कोई खुंदक निकालनी है, आपका पूरा पेपर चेंज कर दिया, सब उल्टे से आंसर्स कर दिए, हो सकता है, होता है, फिक्सिंग किया किसी ने आपके पेपर के साथ. So till the time you don't get, you cannot say with 100% confidence that what is true. You have to consider all the chances. So when you say all Gujaratis are Indians and draw these two diagrams, you do not know which one to select. If you have some extra information, then you can decide which of these two diagrams is correct. But till the time you do not know, you have to consider both the diagrams are possible. So when both the diagrams are possible, if this is true, then all Indians are Gujaratis is true. But if this happens to be true, then it is not necessary that all the Indians are Gujaratis. So, because there are two different diagrams, can I say that the reverse all Indians are Gujaratis will be true? May be true, may not be true. So the reverse of an all statement is not necessarily true. It may or may not be. And when you are not sure, you say it is false. You can say something is true only when you are 100% confident about it, else you have to mark that it is not a possible conclusion. So till now we are seeing two simple statements. If it says no, one diagram, reverse is automatically true. If it is an all statement, then two diagrams, reverse may or may not be true, we consider it as false. The third kind of statement is the statement which contains the word some in it. Right? So let's have a statement which says some Indians are vegetarian. So I represent Indians with I represent vegetarians with V. So given the statement some Indians are vegetarians, how do you represent this using Venn diagrams?